People ask us, can you paint plastic? Sometimes. Where painting plastic can become really problematic is if you've got plastic degradation, like on this GTO glove box door. Quick tests that anyone could run with their own plastic parts is dragging their fingernail across it. You gotta be pretty tough with it, because even if you try to paint over any of this, it'll get blotchy, it'll flake off pretty quickly. Even if you kind of are able to smooth it out, that plastic is toast. This door is a really good example of, on the lower section, you can see that the plastic actually is pretty half decent. So if we were just painting the lower half of the door, it wouldn't be a problem. But since we want a nice uniform texture across the whole door and our customer's original part, scraping across the front of it is the first indicator of significant plastic degradation, and we would never recommend painting a part like this. You'd spend all day trying to prep, get it right. So our solution to degraded plastic, we use our thermal vacuum former. We skin a piece of plastic with a thin skin of vinyl, and then it allows us to vinyl dye it whatever color a customer needs. So if we're going back to green, or if we're doing a color change, this little fuse box door used to be blue, but now we're changing the whole thing to black. So thermal vacuum forming over old plastic ensures longevity and allows us to do color changes to whatever we need it to be and whatever our customer really wants. So if we're doing a custom color change for an entire interior of a vehicle and there's a lot of hard plastic panels, we would highly recommend going the plastic restoration route, where we're able to vacuum form over the original parts. So we avoid any of the paint flaking off or any of the other issues that might come up with old plastic.